At Solar Manufacturing's state-of-the-art facility in Sellersville, Pennsylvania, we have a variety of Mentor and Mentor Pro vacuum furnaces currently in production, with several available for quick delivery. These furnaces are mounted on a self-contained platform for easy installation and maneuverability. We also have several larger internal and external quench vacuum furnaces on the floor that are being built for a wide range of end-use cases. Our skilled US-based manufacturing team is standing by to take your ideas and make them a reality. Visit our website at solarmfg.com or scan the QR code on the screen and contact us today to start your furnace journey.